Okay, so here we are, and we are checking this answer. We are checking to see if x is less than or equal to 3 works, and we are checking to see if x is greater than or equal to 1 works. So let's pick a number that's less than or equal to 3. Well, a number that's less than or equal to 3 would be 2. So let's put that in. 2 minus 2 less than or equal to 1. 0 less than or equal to 1. How far away is 0 from 0? 0 less than or equal to 1. Yeah, that's true. 0 is less than or equal to 1. Okay? And let's pick a number that's greater than or equal to 1. And so that we can see what happens, I'm going to pick a decimal, 1.5. 1.5 is greater than or equal to 1. 1.5 minus 2 less than or equal to 1. 1.5 minus 2, negative 0.5 less than or equal to 1. Question is, how far does Eckert run if he ends up at negative 0.5 number lane? If Eckert ends up at negative 0.5 number lane, then he's run 0.5 miles. 0.5 miles less than or equal to 1 mile? Yes, it sure is. Okay? Now, let's see what happens if we don't pick a number that's less than 3. All right, let's see what happens if we pick a number that's greater than 3. So let's say we pick 4. 4 minus 2 less than or equal to 1. 4 minus 2 is 2 less than or equal to 1. How far away from Eckert's house is 2? 2 less than or equal to 1? No. 2 is not less than or equal to 1. So that one doesn't work. Okay? That one does not work. So remember, here's our solutions. X is less than or equal to 3 and x is greater than or equal to 1. So please be patient with me for a sec while I get back to our example problems. Okay, last example. Distance Eckert runs greater than 7. All right, so without using my house, 2x plus 3 is greater than 7. 2x plus 3 is less than negative 7. The sign changed, the positive became negative. All right, subtract 3. 2x is greater than 4. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. X is greater than 2. Subtract 3. 2x is less than negative 10. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. X is less than negative 5. So, x is greater than 2, or x is less than negative 5. Okay? So those are our only possibilities. Those are our only possibilities. And if we looked at a number line, this is sloppy, I know. There's 0. There's 2. There's negative 5. Let's just look real, we're only going to look at 1. So let's look at a number that's greater than 2. Let's take 3. Okay, and let's plug 3 in and let's see what happens. Plug 3 into our equation and see what happens. 2 times 3 plus 3 greater than 7. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 3 greater than 7. 9 greater than 7. If Eckert runs 9 miles, is 9 greater than 7? Yes. Okay, and the same thing would work. The same thing would work if you picked a number that was less than negative 5. So like if you picked negative 6, it would be a yes. And you can try that on your own. You can try that on your own. Okay, as a matter of fact, that's your first homework problem. All right, here's your homework. Number 1, show that -6 is a solution to 2x plus 3 greater than 7. Number 2, solve for x. Okay, so there's your 2 homework problems. Number 1, show that -6 is a solution to the absolute value of 2x plus 3 is greater than 7. Number 2, solve for x. The absolute value of 5x minus 1 is less than or equal to 11. I wish you the best of luck. It's a tough lesson. It's a very tough lesson, but watch it twice, watch it 3 times, call or text me if you have any questions.